Welcome to CryptoQ. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Blockcreate miner and also going through how much I've made so far and also explaining where you can get one if you're interested. But this is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Let's get down to the video. With the Blockcreate miner, you get rewarded in blocks, and this is on the Algorand network. But each block comes with a particular blockchain that it is assigned to. Mine is currently assigned to the Polygon network, but you can also get a block on the Bitcoin network, on the Ethereum, the Cardano, and also Polygon Matic, like mine is currently on. So I'm going to head over to CoinGecko to show you guys the value of the blocks. So right now, as you can see, I've head over to CoinGecko and I've searched blocks. As of day 14th of April 2023, the blocks are on 0.01, right? And as you can see, in November 2021, this was on 0.05. This was the time when it was most profitable, right? Because it's definitely dropped a lot, but also you can take into consideration we're currently in the bear market. I'm hoping for this to go back up. Even if it can pass the previous all-time high, that would be really great for the miner. But currently right now, it's not really that profitable. It's not profitable at all. So if we head over to the website, as you can see, this is where you purchase the block miner if you're interested in getting one at blockcreate.io, okay? Which is the first step on the website, acquire the block. And as you can see, the Blockcreate comes in 8 blockchains, and these are the blockchains right here. The first edition is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I currently have the unlimited one, right? Which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, and Polygon. You acquire the block, you plug it in, connect to the mobile app, and sync it to the dApp. So I've got a previous review of the Blockcreate miner showing you guys how we set it up and all that. You guys can check that out. I'll leave the link to that in the description box below if you're interested. But I know most of you guys want to know how much I've made with the miner. So let's get down to that. I've logged into the website and I've connected to the dApp. And as you can see right here, I have made 24,696 blocks from the time that I set it up. And I set this up around July last year, 2022. So I've had it for a couple months now, almost close to a year, and I've made 24,696 blocks. And as you can see right here, it's on the Polygon blockchain. The power is 99.5 and it mines 100 blocks a day, okay? And you can upgrade the miner as well, simply by clicking upgrade, and then you click there. As you can see, it's $20 to upgrade the miner. I haven't upgraded mine, it's still on level 1. So let's see how much this is worth as of today, right? So we've got 224,696. We head over to CoinGecko. So currently that is $33, as you guys can see. It's not really that profitable. But also take into consideration, like I said earlier, we're in the bear market. But let's assume we were somewhere right here when it was really profitable, right? Let's even say, okay, let's even just go over here. Let's not go to the previous all-time high. Right here, 2022 in February, it was on 0.031, okay? So I'm just gonna open the calculator real quick. So we're gonna do 0.031 and multiply it by the 24,000 blocks that I have, okay? So that would have been $744. So at this point, I would have definitely ROI'd. This was a very profitable time to get the miner, but I'm still gonna hold on to the blocks till hopefully we get it somewhere here, somewhere where it's going to be profitable, and I'm definitely going to sell. So currently right now, the block miner is $250. That's how much I purchased the miner for. I'm going to keep you guys updated to let you guys know if I'm able to ROI but this is usually the best time to get into mining when we're in the bear market, as compared to when there's all this hype and all that type of stuff and everybody wants to get the miner and you probably can't get it because they're sold out. That marks it to the end of the video. If you guys got any questions in regards to the Blockcreate miner, if you want to get one, I'll leave the links in the description box below. So definitely give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Watch out for more content. Till next time.